Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Securing entry into the United States, the world's largest medical device market, is a monumental achievement for any company. However, the journey doesn't end with the initial FDA approval. A critical and often overlooked administrative hurdle can halt your progress entirely, and that is the annual FDA Establishment Registration and Device Listing Renewal. This process, which runs from October 1st to December 31st each year, is a strict compliance checkpoint. Missing this deadline means your establishment is no longer considered to be in compliance, and your devices are technically considered misbranded. This isn't just a paperwork issue. It has severe real-world consequences, including the detention of your products at the US border. Let's consider a realistic scenario that we've seen happen. A promising German medtech company spent years developing an innovative cardiac monitoring system. They successfully achieved their 510K clearance and began shipping to their new US distributor. They used a consultant for the initial registration, but considered the job done after that. Their internal regulatory contact, who received the initial FDA emails, later left the company. The following October, the automated renewal notices from the FDA were sent to an unmonitored inbox. The December 31st deadline passed silently. In late January, their first major shipment of the new year, valued at over $1 million, was detained by US Customs. Their US market launch came to a screeching halt, causing a contractual crisis with their distributor and a significant loss of revenue. The root cause of this disaster is a common misconception, viewing regulatory compliance as a series of separate, one-time projects, rather than a continuous, year-round responsibility. For companies outside the US, the risk is magnified. Without a dedicated team on the ground, communication gaps are almost inevitable. The solution is to entrust this entire process to a single, dedicated team that acts as your year-round partner. This team serves as your official US agent and correspondent, ensuring that no communication from the FDA is ever missed. They don't just show up on October 1st. They proactively manage your device listings, handle the annual fee payments, and monitor for any changes throughout the year. This approach transforms compliance from a reactive, high-risk scramble into a predictable, managed process. It's the difference between simply gaining market access and actively maintaining it. Don't let the simple administrative lapse jeopardize your entire US commercial strategy. For a seamless, year-round approach to FDA compliance and your global market access needs, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.